Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the global cues were not really very good. In the morning it was okay, but around 7 a.m. in the morning the China's inflation data came. So the data was really very bad, and as a result both China and Hong Kong markets fell. China markets fell more than 2.5%. and Hong Kong market fell more than 3%. So when the markets are falling like this, so naturally we will also be very volatile, and the severe fall in Hong Kong and China dragged even European futures as well as the US futures also. And afternoon Europe opened, and like only one country market was good, that was France. That's because the France went for some election yesterday. The existing president Macron seems to have won the first round of the election, and people were saying that if the opposition has won, the market would have fallen much more. So just due to the local issue, only the French index is higher. The rest of the indices were lower, but not really very big. So they were just down 0.25% or 0.5%. But the US futures seems to be falling more, and US tomorrow also there is some inflation data, and day after tomorrow also there is some inflation data. So this inflation fear will keep coming here and there in our markets. So for next two trading session, I think the US markets as well as the global markets are going to be very volatile. And today we have not moved much, but within 100 point in Nifty, within 200, 300 point in Bank Nifty, it was going up, down many times. So it's a whipsaw movement, zigzag movement. But one thing I told you already, as and when the Nifty future premium is very high, I think on Friday it was more than 110 points, and Bank Nifty nearly 300 points. As and when this happens, I told you uniformly, market will fall after a few days unless the spot catches up with the future, and that is what has happened today. The markets fell, and Nifty has fallen more than 100 points, but Nifty future has fallen much more than that. The same thing with the Bank Nifty also. So I think now that future premium has come down from about 110 to 35 point only in Nifty. And Bank Nifty is still more than 100 point, but still from 300 to 150 is still half of the premium is wiped out. So anyway, this was expected, and that's what has happened. Although the premium was very high, there is no way you can capture that. So today the major underperformance came from Infosys and HDFC Bank and Reliance. I just want to do at least one post-market report without mentioning this HDFC twins. I really don't know how the market can keep on falling like this. Every day this HDFC keep on falling. From around 2,900 plus, it has come to about 2,400. So it has a 500 point, that is nearly 20%. So, that is the main drag for the Nifty. And also ahead of the TCS results, my TCS was very volatile. It fell 60 rupees, again shot up 60 rupees, again fell 30-40 rupees, and so on. And market is keenly waiting for the results, but the results seems not out yet. I'm just recording this video at 5:45. As of now, the results have not come, and so if TCS result is good, we can expect some kind of a recovery in Infosys also. Otherwise, this Nasdaq every day it keep falling. In the last few days, it has already fallen about 800 to 1,000 points, and still Nasdaq future is down only. So as long as the Nasdaq is down, the IT stocks will underperform. So only the corporate results can change the things. So in that sense, TCS result is very important. And looking at the open interest, there was unwinding in 17,800 put option. There's a huge addition of open interest at 17,700, 17,800, 17,900, 18,000. So this gives a very bearish picture, and we have only 2 more trading sessions for this week, and markets are going to be volatile, and markets going to be jittery because of inflation data, and markets, the upside seems to be very limited. If you can remember on Thursday post market report, I said 18,000 call option trading at 50 rupees that seems to be very high. It went up to 150, 200, now it has come down to 10, 11 rupees. So things as of now looking slightly bearish only. Who knows, overnight things may change. But after the market hours, there is something significant what I have seen. The crude prices are falling, and right now the Brent crude has fallen about 4 to 4.5%, and in the afternoon it was trading around $101, and just now it even broke $98. Now it is recovering. Right now it is trading around 98.65. So if the crude continues to fall, it's good for us, but gold prices are shooting up. So the fall was just due to some reason, when the people think that the economy is not going to be good, the crude prices may fall. So anyway, a fall in crude prices is good for India. And at the end of the day, FIIs, once again they started selling. Today they have sold for 1,145 crore. And I think you no need to look at the data. Once you see HDFC Bank falling, that means that FIIs are selling. And however, the domestic institutions have bought for 486 crores. So let us wait for TCS results. So I have done one strategy, and let us see. That strategy I am already in a profit of I think nearly more than 2%. I don't know exactly. So maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will give you an update. So maybe if possible I will come out with some strategy for Infosys or HDFC Bank, because Infosys comes with results on Wednesday, and HDFC Bank come out with results on Saturday. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.